mga kaibigan, once again, no, if we just to take a coffee first, which is dark chocolate. Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw uli sa lahat. It's around 7:58 AM in the morning, October 8, 2025. So mga kaibigan, as to the mandated by the Philippine Constitutions as to serve the country, as to work in the government, there are two categories of public employee in the government, which is mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. As to the mandate of the supreme law of the land, which is the fundamental laws of the land, is the Philippine Constitutions. As a worker of the government, there are two categories, which is in order for me to answer your question, sir, because I am not expert, the one to lead to answering these questions, but it is my little bit of knowledge, a little bit of an idea that need to be reiterated for you, mga kaibigan. The worker of the government, there are two, which is the elected by the law and the appointed of the law. Those people who are working in the government as a public employee, mga kaibigan, which is done to the elections, is considered as a elected by law. But for those people who are working in the government, like the police, army, and many others, fire, those people who are public employees are mandated, appointed by law, mga kaibigan. As to the good example for the leading of the countries to implement the rules and regulations as the law enforcement officer of this country, mga kaibigan, we need to follow certain rules under of the Philippine Constitutions, which is the supreme law of the land. In even in any enacted laws from the lower house Constitution, they could not be intervened, mga kaibigan. So that's why the three branches of the government was categorized also by the law of the fundamental laws of the land, which is the supreme law of the land, which is the Philippine Constitutions. So that's why, mga kaibigan, what do you call is that in the legal maxim, diba? Dactus exemplo lex prospicit non respicit, mga kaibigan. If you want to be lead the country, just to be lead by an example, and the law looks forward, not backward. That is called dactus exemplo lex prospicit non respicit, mga kaibigan. So that's why there is a lot of the workers of the government as a public employee who are involved in many bribery, extortions, and many lots of the crime to be done in themselves. So that's why, mga kaibigan, as a worker of the government, we are bound to serve and protect the country, not to serve anyone. We are not serving our culture, we are not serving our religions, we are not serving those people who are influenced, and those people are elite, oligarch, and many others, that the police officer of this country has to remain be loyal and faithful and honest to the constitutions, that we are be unique among all. So that's why, mga kaibigan, that is my value of service, and that is my standard in myself. Even you are my relatives, even you are close to the blood in me, if you want to commit any crimes out there, and then you will be to faces the consequences about that. So ganun lang ho ang panindigan natin dito. That's under of the Proverbs chapter 21 and the Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1 to 7. It's remind us that the season of the people, the season of everything, there is mayroon tayong, there is a season to be living on this universe, mga kaibigan. May panahon sa lahat. May panahon sa kapanganakan ho natin under of this chapter, Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1 to 7. It reminds to all the people around the universe na may panahon sa kapanganakan ho natin, na may panahon na tayo'y lumaki at na kung saan tayo tumira. May panahon na tayo ay magalit, may panahon na tayo ay pumatay, panahon sa paggiba, panahon sa pagtayo, panahon sa pagbangon. There is a lot, mga kaibigan. Even myself, I do not know why I am here. So that's why, sa biyayang aking natatanggap that I received from the graceful from heaven, I stand on it, my status right now. Even though marami akong nasasagasaan, mga opisyal, mga malalaking tao, even though I am so small, but I do not afraid, I do not hesitate to implement the laws under of the rules and regulations under the mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. So that's why, mga kaibigan, hindi po ako ang tipong tao na kung saan pwede ho ninyo akong takot-takutin because you are an influencer, you are the most influential persons out there, you are the oligarch, you are the business tycoon, or etc. Even though you have a lot of money in the bank, you have a lot of money in your house, I do not be afraid to hesitate to implement the rules and regulations under of the mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. We are born to deserve all everything, mga kaibigan. So that's why, maraming salamat to.